Okay, hey everybody, it's Honda Adventures here, and I'm just going to give an update on my VFR800 Interceptor. So first things first, it's got about 741 miles on it, so she's just barely broken in. I've had it to the dealership twice, to my dealership once, and she is fully aligned, oil changed, ready to go for the next couple thousand miles. One of the main things I just love about the look of the bike are these LED lights. They just look awesome. I like the markers as well in the mirrors. Of course mine are folded back, but I feel like those LEDs just really make it like it's something else. So anyways, I'm going to go through some of the mods. First things first, 741 miles, all of them been enjoyable, let me tell you. So starting from the top, the first thing I wanted to talk about are the Moto Pump handlebar risers. So as you can see, these are pretty close to being on point to being the same color. Little bit of difference you can see from the distance here. If I got my phone out, you probably really see, but you can see them from this angle as well. I really enjoy them. See here. You could tell that I really enjoy the way the seating position these are, based on just how they set me up so I can ride. So check out this clip for like a little bit longer distance. Okay, so again, I really like the added comfort, and they put me in a really good seating position, so that was a great mod. I'm staying on the top. Yep, Honda genuine OEM gas tank protector. You know what it is. All sorts of reasons why when you're hugging the curb like this. Staying on the top, I have the MZS, I believe. Foldable adjustable levers here. I actually like these. This is my second set. I had a previous set that I purchased. These are the shorty version, in case you can't tell. And the other ones didn't want to stay in place. So if anybody's interested in some shorty levers that are adjustable, that just seem to always work their way loose even with Loctite, hit me up in the comments. I'll ship them to you. Shit. Anyways, these are adjustable. I'm really happy with these. Amazon. I hope I'm not too close with the camera. Here's a little video of me kind of working through the levers with them. Alright, so continuing on with the mods, some of the other things I like about this bike, not just those, but are in the back here. So as we go down here, the first thing I want to talk about is this Honda Hugger. So this is a genuine Honda part. Hopefully you can see it. You can get them online, and the reason I like them is because they don't spit up rocks or when you're in lean over mode or in high cornering. So see this. The tail tidy, is that what they called it? Anyways, a guy on the VFR forum sold it to me. I really like it. It's 3D printed. It didn't cost much. I supported a local. I was pretty happy with it. Finally, what everybody's probably screaming about the most, this thing right here. So this is an 8-inch shorty Delcovic exhaust bolted right up. Sounds mean. See VTech here. See some more VTech here. Also, probably the best mod I did to the bike. It was only like $300. Really happy with this. The tail tidy was about 50 or 60 bucks. It really cleans up the bike. I like the way it looks. One of my favorite mods, just because of the way of the appearance mod. Another clip of this big boy here. Another mod that I did to this bike was I went down one tooth on the front sprocket. You're not going to be able to see this. So going down one tooth on the front sprocket allowed me to take advantage of a little more torque out of the bike, stay in VTech a little longer, and also initiate VTech a little bit sooner, if you will, through the gears. So, you know, I keep the tail section with the add-on cover and the two side planks. I very rarely ride more than myself, so it stays like that. Something else I always thought was really cool that Honda had done was add these, whether they're for helmets or side bags. Cool. What else? I'm really happy with the Interceptor. If you can keep me away from the local enforcement, I would keep this bike more often. So, in the meantime, I'm going to stick with dirt and pay off my fine. Probably the main reason it's sitting in this shop the way it is because of this. But I just wanted to give a mod update as she sits. So handlebar risers, one down front sprocket, Delcovic exhaust, Honda hugger, tail tidy,